It is such a beautiful morning today on the farm. My goal today is to get as many plants as I can from my porch into the ground so that I have room for plenty of succession sowing throughout the whole season. I have eggplants, I have peppers, and green beans to put in the ground, and then these flowers I'm gonna save for our driveway once I have landscape fabric in. I put 40 peppers in this patch right over here. Doesn't look like much, but they're gonna grow. Eggplants are next. I got 33 eggplants in the ground. Planting 72 green beans. Whew, it is very hot, but I got a lot done. I'm very happy about it. Now I'm gonna go relax.